And this is news as far as the loan moratorium issue, which is being heard by the top court, is concerned. In fact, the centre has told the top court that waiving an interest to the extent of 6 lakh crore is unthinkable. And that interest waiver is not a solution, and all defaulters have nothing to do with COVID. Those are some of the points being made by the centre at this point in time in terms of the loan moratorium issue, which is being heard by the top court. Supreme Court has resumed hearing the loan moratorium issue. Let me go across to Meenakshi joining us for more details. Meenakshi, if you can take us through what's going on in this particular case at this point in time, and also context about what is the top court actually hearing now.
Well, that's right, Ami. As far as your question goes, we will begin with the context first. The Government of India is continuing to urge before the Supreme Court as to how the top court should not order any more additional relief sector-wise, more than what the government's already granted. Our viewers will recall we had brought the story of power sectors also seeking huge reliefs, which the government thus far is not ready for now. So on that point, the matter is being debated and heard, like you rightly mentioned, in the Supreme Court, where the central government is telling the top court that not a single power plant has shut down even for a day. Credit-linked housing has been extended under the PM Awas Yojana for real estate sector. 2% interest subvention scheme announced, and 20,000 crore credit granted to various sectors. Emergency credit-linked derivative scheme worth 3 lakh crores has been announced for COVID-hit sectors. And that apart, the government just a short while back went on to reiterate, like you rightly mentioned, that it is unthinkable to waive interest worth 6 lakh crores. And then the government is adding that moratorium misconstructed, or rather misconstrued by many. Moratorium simply means deferment. It does not mean